Triple Chip here. This is Down the Hatch 2. Where today I just went down to Dairy Queen. Went and picked myself up another Blizzard. Because I get 52 free for the year. I don't know which number this is, but this is the Royal Series. There's only 2 of them. I just finished posting one a few days ago. This one is the Reese's Brownie, where it's infused with chunks of peanut butter. So this is what we're talking about. That's probably a chunk of peanut butter right there. You can see it. Look at that. Try it out. You love Reese's, you're gonna love this. It's got to be one of the better ones. Simply delicious. But these are, they catch what these ones are. I swallow that peanut butter. These are about I think they're $6.99, I believe. If I'm wrong, just leave it in the comments. And this is only a small here in Canada, so thanks to the powers that be, we really get screwed on these prices up here, but very delicious treat. That's been about it for this one. Give you another ponder at it. So until next time, have a happy eating day, night, whatever it is. Catch you in the next one, because this one's over. Chip out. Bye.